2, 3, 4.
At Macquarie Garage Doors, we're always looking for new, innovative products to really push the boundaries of what we can offer our customers. And that's why we've partnered with 4D Doors and Herman to bring our new range of garage doors. Most conventional panel doors will roll up, meaning you lose all the storage space. The beauty of the Herman side slider is it will roll across the opening and back down the side wall, leaving you with all that storage space for whatever your needs. Each panel in our side slider is 42mm thick. It has a 1mm steel skin on each side of the panel, filled with 40mm of PU foam. This is for insulation and helping with noise. There is no springs, no cables, just wheels running on a track, which helps with smooth operation. It also comes with a full perimeter seal around the sides, the bottom and the top to help keep dust out. The beauty of the Herman side slider is it comes in a range of designs, finishes and colours to suit any architectural design. There is also glazing options where you can have windows fitted within the door as well. Herman side sliders come back with a 5-year warranty which covers all your parts of the door and the opener to give you full peace of mind.